Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to stop Instagram videos from autoplaying. The first step to stopping Instagram videos from autoplaying is to open the Instagram app on your phone. If you are not already logged in, you'll need to log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile. In the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three-line menu icon. This will bring up the options menu. From the options menu, tap on Settings. This will take you to the settings screen. After settings, click on account icon and then data usage, which will lead you to the page as shown. Among the two options on the screen, toggle on the use less cellular data option. This will stop auto-loading videos and save data on mobile connections as well. However, it might not work as needed when you are using internet. Thank you for watching and enjoy your Instagram